My name is Adindu Chamaka Imelda. I'm 15 years old now. I'm in just 3, and the name of my school is Wesley Girls Junior Secondary School. First session, I think it's the Halima's Food, and I really enjoyed it because it's more like I was given a storybook about a woman named Alima who is very courageous, and then she spoke up for her people, and I became very confident about that, so that if someone like that can do something, then why not me? I can also do something about it. So I made a post on my social media about corruption. So I want to speak up for like myself and for other women. I want them to be able to speak up for themselves, to be confident, and I also want to be confident and speak up like for other people. So after this step up like that, I became more confident that okay, I need to start doing this thing. I need to start talking to more people. I gathered some of my friends, and after the program, we talk about the program we had, the book, discuss corruption.
Before step up Nigeria, Chamaka does not gather any friends. If you just tell her to do something, she will do. But for her to go extra mile, she would not. But after step up Nigeria, yes, she improved. She started to gather, started to relate with more people.
I made a post on my social media and I wrote a poem. Omobuwale Adedeji, she's a stammerer. She's being bullied by her classmates. So I kept talking to her that you don't have to keep being bullied. And I told her that she doesn't have to do that. She should be confident and talk like speak up, because this is what Step Up Nigeria is all about, speaking up.
After this step of Nigeria, I didn't even go and meet her. I'm not even going to go and meet her. They actually wanted to do debates in school, and I saw her talking. I was actually shocked that Omobuwale is talking. Although she was stammering, she was confident for the very first time.